Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel LearnIT. Today's session I will be talking about report creation in ServiceNow. So please watch my videos till the end for complete information. So let's proceed further and see how we can create the report in ServiceNow. So I would be using incident and change module for report creation. Alright, so for report creation I will type here report, and you will see there are multiple options displaying under report section, like view, run, create new report, or schedule report, getting started with reports. So you will get multiple options, but for creation of reports I would be using view run module of report section. So I will click on view run. So now here I would be seeing existing reports in the system which is already created. Alright, so let's try to create new reports for incident first. So you can see there is a create report button here. So as soon as I will click on create report button, here you can see the UI is displayed, reporting UI is displayed. Now here we can provide some details like report name, source type, and what would be the data source. So first of all we will select incident report, incident, priority 1 incident. So what we will do is like we will create a report P1 incident report. Alright, and we will select the table here, and table we will select. So table we will select incident. Alright, so whatever, if someone has selected data source, people can select data source here, and if source type is selected as table, we have to select the table name here. So you can see currently the table name is incident. So I have run the report. So currently this is displaying all the incident which is P1 or which is not P1. So let's try to add some filter conditions inside this report. So suppose priority is P1, and now we will run this criteria. So you will see the 27 incident which is on P1, which is closed and open. So we will add one more condition here, active is true. So we will run this filter again, and we will see there are 16 open incidents, those are in P1. Alright, we will save this report, and you can see this report is saved, P1 incident report. So here you can add all the filter conditions, on what basis you have to display your list of records. Alright, and if we move to type, so we can select bar, pies and donuts, we can use time series, scores we can use. So we can use multiple options here, pivot table, pyramid. So lot of options are there which we can use to generate our reports, so that user can view it in a very good visual way. Alright, so you can use any one of them. And we have configure. Under configure we can do the group by of our columns which is displaying under those table. So you can see there is group by options for columns, and we can do the multiple group by also. So we can do it from here, and styles are there. So like we can define the size of the title and the title color, and as well as we can define the horizontal element also. Alright, so these are the reporting options through which we can create a report. So now what we will do is like, this is one report for incident. So let us try to create more report. So now we will, what we will try to create, we will try to create all open change request, all open change request. Okay, so table will be selected as change request. So this is our table name, change request, and now I will click on run, and you can see there are 104 change requests in the system. So now I will add the filter like active is true, because I want all the change requests which are open. So open change requests are 93. So this is the report, and we can save this report again. Alright, so this report is created, and now we will go on view run again. Now I will create normal change request, and I will show you how we can do insert and stay within the reports. So quickly you will be able to create your reports. So I will use again same normal change request, and I will add the condition. Right now what I will add the condition, active is true and change type. Okay, there is no any. Suppose let me run first how much incident are there. Now I will select type, sorry, change request. So type I will select as like suppose I will create this as a standard first. So type I will select a standard, and I will add a condition active is true, and now I will run this change request report. So there are only 4 change requests which is a standard. So I will save this record. Now how we can do the insert and stay thing, so I will show you that as well. So next is normal change request. So I will just rename this normal, and I will update this type, and I will click here and I will do insert and stay. So what will happen, the new report will be created and old report will be there already in the system. Alright, so here we can see we are having 84 records. And now similar way, standard, normal, emergency. Now I will create emergency report as well, emergency change request. So now here we will change it to emergency, and now I will click on run, and now insert and stay. So you can see we have 5 change requests for this type of change request, and now we will see what all reports. P1 incident. So this is one of the report is this one. So I will make it as favorite. You can make this report as favorite as well from here. And now we have created multiple change request report. So these are our reports which we have created. So you can see we have created 5 reports: P1 incident report, and all open change requests, standard change requests. So these are the 5 reports which I have created, and I have shown you how we can create these reports. These are the report creation technique in ServiceNow, like we are using to create. Alright, so in next session I will be creating a dashboard, and how we can copy the dashboard or duplicate the dashboard or delete the dashboard. So we will see everything in the next session of dashboard, and there I will show you how we can add these reports in that dashboard, and we can create tabs under that dashboard as well. And we will see how we can create or delete the dashboard or make the copy of the dashboard. Alright, so please watch my videos till the end for complete information. So let's proceed further for our dashboard creation. So I will type here dashboard. So you can see this is the module through which we can create the dashboard. As soon as I will click on this dashboards, you will see the list of dashboard displaying here. So you can see these are the multiple dashboards displaying here. So we can click on create dashboard. Alright, so I will type the name my LearnIT dashboard. Alright, so you can see I have provided some dashboard name, and yeah, so I will click on save, and now you can see the dashboard is created here, and one default tab I think it is created. And now I will click on view dashboard, so you will move to our view dashboard section. And now you can see this is our dashboard. Currently nothing is added here, and you can see we have multiple options: new dashboard, dashboard properties, delete dashboard, duplicate dashboard, copy dashboard URL, and we can create a favorite, and we can create a tab as well on this dashboard. And we have refresh option here, so we can refresh the dashboard. Through add widget we can see the reports which we have created in last session. So these are all the reports which we have created. This is started displaying by default because those are selected as favorite in my report section. That's why it is started displaying here. Alright, so other ways, like you can click on reports as well, and you can see these are the reports which is displaying to me. Alright, so now let's try to create first we will create a tab. Alright, so you can see we can create multiple tabs here. So first tab I will edit and rename the first tab as incident details. Alright, and second I will rename as change request details. Alright, so these are the two tabs. Let me reload it again. Yeah, so I will rename as change request details. So I have added that. Now what I will do is I will add some report here. So change request report I will add under change request, and incident report I will add under incident report. Alright, so currently change request details I will add first. So I will add suppose I will add one of the report initially. So I will add all the change request, and then I will select the layout as well. Alright, so this is all open change request, and now I will add emergency. And now I will add standard, and I will add normal. Alright, so I have added these 4 reports. Now this UI is so much of scrolling is there. So what we can do is we can add the layout as well. You can see I will use this layout. All right, and you can see our report will display in four divided grid layout. So this is normal change request, standard change request, this will be emergency change request, and this is all open change request. So you can see all the details in this tab, and in another tab we can add our incident report. So this was our incident report. This report, you can see only one report is there, so you can display as it is, or you can display or you on your own as well. All right, if there are multiple reports, in that case we are trying to add some layout inside the dashboard so that the look and feel change for the user, or for, because these dashboards generally is used by managers or delivery managers or leads or higher people, higher authority of people are using these dashboards. So these dashboards are looking quite good whenever it is utilized on a real time scenario based things. All right, so now here I have shown how you can create the dashboard and create the tabs inside the dashboard, and now we can copy the dashboard as well using duplicate dashboard button. So as soon as I will click on duplicate dashboard, you can see our copy of dashboard is created, and everything is copied with that dashboard. You can see all the reports and incident reports are copied with as it is details, whatever was present in that dashboard. All right, so this is quite good, because what happens is, like, suppose one person want to use similar dashboard as your manager's one, so we can directly copy that dashboard, so you don't have to do so much of report addition again and again. So you can rename the dashboard, and then you can do the things according to the customer requirements. And now this is the copy of our dashboard, and now we can delete this dashboard as well. All right, so I will try to delete this dashboard. See, dashboard is deleted, and only our this my LearnIT dashboard will present here. So you can see this is our original dashboard which we have created earlier. All right, so this is looking quite good, and from here you can select your dashboard, list of dashboard, whichever you want to select. Here there are multiple options to refresh the dashboard or reset the filters. All right, so you can try it all the options from here, and you can try to explore more things, like existing reports also can be added here. You can see there are n number of reports or performance analytics or interactive filters or many things which you can utilize out of the box inside your dashboard. All right, suppose there are performance analytics here, there is interactive filters also, and then you can use content block as well. So there are multiple options to utilize under this dashboard thing. So report, you have access to multiple out of the box report as well. You can add directly those report in your dashboard and utilize those in your dashboard. All right, so this is really cool for the people who wants to track incident, change, or any table in the system. All right, so this is all about dashboard creation and adding reports in the dashboards. So let's proceed further and see how we can create and use interactive filters within dashboard for the reports. All right, so let's proceed further and see how we can create those interactive filters. First we will open our dashboard, what dashboard contains. So this is my dashboard, my LearnIT dashboard. So here we have change request and we have incident report in another tab. All right, so we will use this incident report. We will use interactive filters, and we will try to create some interactive filters for the report. And now we will see how we can redirect and how we can use our interactive filters within the report. So you have configuration button here, and then you click on add widget, and then under favorites, under widget category, we have interactive filters. Interactive filters, we would be having multiple options from here. So currently I will show you how we can create interactive filters and how you can utilize within this report. Alright, so let's proceed further and try to create interactive filters for this incident report. So first I will redirect to our interactive filters. So you can see there is an option interactive filters. So now I will open this in a new tab, and you can see there are multiple interactive filters which are already created. Alright, so what type of filter I can create? I can create a filter based on any field which is presented in this report. Alright, so I will use this field, category field, to create interactive filters for this report first. Alright, so what I will do is like I will click on new button here, and you can see our form is loaded here. Now I will select the option choice list because this category is type of choice list, so choice list will be selected here. Alright, and now I will use, there are multiple options like filter based on choice list, reference, date, group, boolean, cascading filter, but I will be utilizing choice list because I am applying interactive filters for category field. So I will give a name here, LearnIT, LearnIT category, LearnIT category filter. And now what I will give the name, lookup name would be, I will add same LearnIT category filter. And now you can select apply to all tables in hierarchy, or you can apply both database views and tables. And now here there is a UI control type, so I can select radio button, checkboxes, select multiple input, right? So what I will do is like I will try to add checkboxes first and show you how you can display these type of interactive filters and how you will see these filters under the reports. So now I have used in UI control type as checkboxes. Now I will select the table name. Table name is incident. So incident, and the field would be category. And now I will click on submit. That's it. Our LearnIT category filter is created. Alright, now we will try to add this interactive filters in our dashboard. So what we will do is like we will again come back to our dashboard, and we will click on our configuration button, and then we will click on widget category button, and then we will click on interactive filters. And then you can see we have multiple options that were showing under that interactive filter. So we have created interactive filter of type choice list. So we will click on choice list, and here you will see our let me search it. Okay, I know why it is not coming, so let me try to reload it. And now I will click on interactive filters again. So now you can see this is our LearnIT category filter. So I will click here, and you will see this will display like this, and I will click on add. So you can see this is the filter which is displaying under our report. So now you can see there are 16 incident displaying. Alright, with the category hardware, inquiry, network, and suppose I will remove all, so I will see only one because none is because empty is only one incident. And suppose if I click on inquiry, it will come incident with related to category and query. And if I click on inquiry and software, you will get both the incidents, all the incident of category, inquiry, help, and software. Alright, similar way we can change the UI of this filter as well. So suppose this is the category filter, and now we will try to see how other option can be utilized. So suppose I am selecting here multiple input. So just see how it will appear there. So I have changed this UI control type as select multiple input. We will try to reload this dashboard again and see what has happened to our interactive filter. And now you can see this is interactive filter which got changed, and you can select the multiple options from the drop down, and you can just reduce this size as well. Yeah, I will go into configuration and you can reduce the size also. And suppose I will select as software, so it will show software and none incident. I have clicked on software, then I will see only software incident. So this is the interactive filter which can be utilized to create a filter for your report under your dashboard, because there is no option to create add a filter here. Alright, that's why we have to create interactive filters for dashboard reports. And if suppose this interactive filter is not working, so you have to check whether this act as interactive filter is checked or not. So you have to check this act as interactive filter. This should be checked, otherwise interactive filter will not work. And in report or as well, you have to check this follow interactive filter. Alright, so that this interactive filter will work for your report. Alright, so now I will create another type of interactive filters. Suppose I will create it for assignment group, and assignment group is a reference field. So I will show you how we can create this interactive filter for reference field. Alright, so I will click on new button again, and I will click on reference field here, and then I will try to create LearnIT assignment group filter. I will copy the same name under lookup name, and then I will add as multiple input only, because there would be lot of users, and I will add checkbox. It will create so much of scrolling, so I will select multiple input for reference. And for reference table here, now here you have to see carefully what we have to add under this reference table. Under this reference table we will use group. This user underscore group, and we will save it. We can add our condition as well, whatever condition is required, but we will not add here because already report is created on backend and some filter will be already applied there. And now this record is created, but it will not work because this is the type of reference, and we have reference to group. Now group has displayed here. Now we have to create the interactive filter reference from which table you have to get the data. So we will create an interactive filter references here. So we will scroll down and we will see there is an interactive filter references. So we will create one references here, and the table is incident. Now here we have to add our table incident, and the field is assignment group. And now I will click on submit. Alright, so I have created this filter, interactive filter for reference field assignment group. So let's see how it works in our reports. So what I will do is like first I will remove this interactive filter for category, and now I will try to add interactive filters for our reference field. So this is our filter, interactive filter which we have created. So I will click here and it will display like this. So I will click on add and I will move this upside, and now you can see there are 16 incident with empty assignment group or some assignment group. Alright, so here all is selected. Now here we can select our assignment group. Suppose let us check first whether yeah, it is already checked, act as interactive filter. So now what we will try to search a service desk here. So if I click on service desk, you will see only 3 incidents are displayed here for P1 incident report, right? So suppose we will remove this and you will see all the incident which are in P1 state. And for assignment group network also we can add here network. So it will show the incident which has assignment group network. So yeah, so this is a really wonderful feature. We can apply some filter for our reports in dashboard, right? So this is quite good thing which can be utilized to generate some interactive filters with our reports, which is sometimes required by our managers or technical leads, right? So this is very important thing, right? So yeah, that's all about interactive filters. So please provide your comment if you have any questions, doubts or queries related to this session. For more information, please visit the description section under this video. Thanks for hearing me out. Stay tuned for more videos. Please do like, share and subscribe to my channel LearnIT.